Hey guys, so let's talk about Xiaomi Black Shark 3 5G on today's video. So a reliable leakster Sudhanshu tweeted that Xiaomi Black Shark 3 5G to launch soon gets certified by MIIT and attached the image which is on your screen right now. He also posted another tweet saying that theoretically it should be the world's first phone with 16GB of RAM, but let's wait for the official announcement. And not only that, we have some more details about the device, and here is the first one. In this image you can clearly see the options for 60Hz, 90Hz and 120Hz. So we can expect that the Black Shark 3 will come with a 120Hz of display panel. And the next thing is also quite interesting, and it is also related to display technology used in Black Shark 3, which says that the Black Shark 3 will have a 2K display. So this is also another great fact, and this high resolution screen and high refresh rate will obviously be a boon for most of the gamers. So this is what we know so far. And if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share to support the channel. We upload a lot of videos like this regarding smartphone leaks and many more. So if you want to know more about those kind of things, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And this is all for today guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace.